Hi everybody, it is Crystal. Welcome to my channel, Bagoday Crochet, where we talk about everything that is yarn or crochet related, and sometimes knit. So if that type of thing interests you, you should subscribe. It's a lot of fun here. And I have over 1,000 tutorials, all free for you to enjoy. And I continue to put them on all the time. But today I want to talk to you about something. It's not really serious, but it's something I get asked a lot. And there's a lot of confusion about it. So if you watch my channel a lot, or my tutorials, you will notice that I use this yarn quite a bit when I am making stitch tutorials and things like that. This is Ice Yarns Picasso. Now everybody always asks me where to get it, and then I see a lot of people saying that they just can't afford it from Ice Yarns. They have to buy it other places. Now, I just want to clear something up because a lot of people don't know. This is actually cheaper, including shipping, from Ice Yarns than you can get it anywhere else on the internet. I've looked and looked and looked, and there is no place that you can buy it cheaper than Ice Yarns, even with their shipping that is quite high. If you are familiar with Ice Yarns, you know that they have high shipping. Okay, so if you look on the internet and you type in Ice Yarns Picasso, and you look on Amazon, or you see people on Etsy, those are people that are buying it from Ice Yarns and reselling it for a profit. Now, I don't have anything against that, but it's cheaper to go directly through Ice Yarns. So I've seen these not on Ice Yarns run anywhere from $4 to $9 a ball. Now, I agree, that's a lot of money. But if you go to iceyarns.com directly, you can get it cheaper. I will be the first to admit that I used to not like Ice Yarns because their shipping was so high. I could not get past it. But when one day I just broke it down myself, and I realized that they sell their yarn so inexpensive, they're actually giving you the true shipping cost. It really does cost that much to ship from Turkey. They are based in Turkey, and I'm going to be speaking of the United States because that's where I'm from. I get my packages in like 3 days from them, FedEx Express. So it really does cost that much. I've shipped a lot of places. It actually probably costs them more to ship because I get big boxes from them, and I know it costs a lot to ship. So if I was to go to Ice Yarns right now, and they sell these by the 8-pack, they are 99 cents a ball. And then when you put it in your cart, like I said, I'm going to be speaking in US because it's probably different depending on what country you're from. The shipping is $9.95, which comes out to $17.94 for 8 balls. So that's just a little over $2 a ball. You can't find it anywhere else cheaper. And the kicker is with Ice Yarns, if you add, the more packs you add, the cheaper your balls become. So if I was to add, a lot of people they just can't get past that high. They say to themselves that shipping is too much, or they just will not pay that shipping. But I can feel you because I used to be that way. But this Ice Yarns really sells very good deals on their yarn. You just have to break it down and include that shipping. Other yarn companies that sell the same yarns as Ice, it's the same. They just make the yarn more money so they can charge you less for shipping. Does that make sense? So there's no other yarn company that sells Picasso. There's only third-party sellers that buy it from Ice and then resell it. But there are a lot of yarn companies that sell the same yarns that Ice do with their own label. And say it'll be $1.50 at Ice. The other yarn company will sell it for $6, but their shipping will be cheaper. So actually you're paying more at the other yarn company. It just looks like you're not because you're paying less shipping. I hope that makes sense. So anyways, back to the Picasso. the more you add to your cart, the less your ball becomes. So if I was to add 2 8-packs where I got 16 balls, the total cost for the yarn would be $15.98. That's for 16 balls. And then the shipping and handling would be $14.95 for a total of $30.93. So that's for 16 balls. So that knocked it under $2 a ball. So you see what I'm saying? It's just less expensive to buy it from them. Now, I'm only saying this because I have so many people ask me, and I have so many people say that they can't afford it, and they can't afford ICE's shipping. And I just want you to know that there is no place on the internet that will sell it cheaper to you, including that shipping cost, than ICE yarns. Now, I don't want to go against those third-party sellers that are buying it from ICE and reselling it, trying to make a living. There's nothing wrong with that. I'm only trying to help you find the best deal. But if you just want one ball of it, to try, of course, you could go to Etsy, and there's probably someone selling it for $4. You might have to pay some shipping on that, which would be cheaper than the $18 for an 8-pack. You only get one ball, but it would probably be just better just to buy the 8-pack. But I'm just saying, Ice Yarns is the cheapest place that you will ever get this, because so many people ask me, and I just don't want anybody to think that you can't have this, because it's a beautiful yarn. I don't want anybody to think that they can't have this or can't afford it because they think Ice's yarn is too much because of the shipping. It's not. The shipping is high only because they charge you to shipping. But the yarn is very inexpensive. It's 99. This one right here is 99 cents a ball. So, like I said, and when you add the shipping to it, if you buy an 8-pack, it's just a little over $2 a ball. And the more packs you add, the less the ball becomes. So I just wanted to tell you guys that, because a lot of people are misunderstanding that. And then again, there are those people who will just flat out not buy from Ice Yarns because they won't pay that shipping price. But they are being honest with their shipping price. That is what it costs them. Plus you get it, in the US in like 3 to 4 days. Sometimes 2. It really, it just depends. And Ice Yarns has very good customer service. If you are ever missing something, they will take care of it. I have no problem with Ice Yarns. Like I said, I used to not be able to buy from them because of the shipping, but I've learned that the shipping is very true, and their yarn is so inexpensive that even though the shipping is so much, if you calculate the shipping and the amount of balls you get, there's no place that will sell any type of yarn that they have cheaper. All right, I just want to let you guys know that you can get this beautiful stuff too. IceYarns.com. Now, I'm not affiliated with them. I'm not affiliated with any yarn company. I don't get no kickbacks. I only try to save you money and tell you about good deals. So I'm gonna go. See you guys on my next video. Bye.